Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see that how can you download and install Minecraft into your system. So the first step that you need to do is go to this website that is called minecraft.net. This is the official website of the game Minecraft. Once you are in this website, you will find that this is the official website with the game screenshots, and it allows you to get Minecraft. So you can simply just click on the get Minecraft button. Once you do that, you will see that you can play the Minecraft games with the Game Pass in the different versions of your system like Windows, Mac or Linux, or you have different platforms in which you can download Minecraft. So I'm going to show you for Android. So let's just click on Android for this matter of fact. As soon as you do that, you will find this Minecraft, and there is a 690 Indian rupees cost that it is showing. So you can just click on here, complete the payment, and then you would be able to download Minecraft full version into your Android device. But if you do not want that, then there is a Minecraft trial version as well. Let's just click on that. So this is the trial version of the Minecraft game. This you can download or install for free, and then you can just try it for some time. Once you're happy with it, then you can go ahead and purchase it. So for that, you can just simply click on install, and the Android device associated with your system, with your PC, is where the Minecraft trial app would be downloaded. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.